CES 2026 kicks off in Las Vegas. Atavatan Media conducted more than 30 exclusive interviews. In the city of Las Vegas, the world's largest technology exhibition, CES 2026, began with Media Days ahead of its official opening. The first days of the exhibition, known as Media Days, are specially organized preview and demonstration events for the global press, and Atavatan Media actively took part in these events. The Unveiled event held as part of Media Days once again became a focal point this year. During this event, dozens of companies related to artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, physical AI, service robots, smart sensors, autonomous systems, health technologies, smart city solutions, and the startup ecosystem presented their products and services to the international media for the first time. Many companies emphasize the future of AI not only as software, but also as physical systems that move, see, hear, and make decisions in the real world. At the exhibition, particular interest was drawn to service and industrial robots, smart cameras and 3D perception systems, AI solutions used in autonomous devices, smart analysis and monitoring systems used in healthcare, next-generation software developed by startups. As part of its extensive media coverage, more than 30 AI and technology companies gave exclusive interviews to Atavatan microphones. In these interviews, company executives and engineers spoke in detail about the unique features of their technologies, their competitive advantages in the market, future development plans, and the innovative solutions they aim to introduce to the global market. Some startups describe CES 2026 as a crucial milestone for them, as it marked their first appearance before international media. All of these interviews will be published in the coming days on Atavatan TV YouTube, Atavatan Turkmen Instagram, and Atavatan Habarlari TikTok platforms, as well as on the website www.atavatan-turkmenistan.com on a regular basis. The events are currently ongoing. Tomorrow, the second day of Media Days will take place, featuring new presentations, special press events, closed demonstrations, and meetings with leading international media organizations. On January 6th, the official opening ceremony of CES 2026 will be held. Following the opening, hundreds of the world's leading companies will present their latest developments in artificial intelligence, robotics, automation, smart home technologies, transportation, and industrial innovations to the global public. CES 2026 will continue until January 9th. During this period, Las Vegas will transform into a global technology hub, bringing together thousands of companies, including world-renowned major corporations, alongside startups, research centers, university scholars, engineers, technology investors, and representatives of the global media. The exhibition will not only serve as a showcase for new products, but also as an important international platform that helps define the future direction of technology. Throughout CES 2026, the role of artificial intelligence, AI, in society, and its impact on the labor market, education, healthcare, industry, and everyday life will be discussed in depth. Topics such as physical AI, robotics, autonomous systems, smart cities, health technologies, and data security will be among the main themes of the exhibition. In addition, special panel discussions will address issues such as the ethical boundaries of AI, legal and regulatory challenges, and the future of the relationship between humans and technology. Through these forums and meetings, the economic impact of innovation, the market entry of new technologies, investment opportunities, and cooperation between governments and the private sector will remain a central focus. CES 2026 will not only highlight current developments, but will also stand out as a major international platform influencing the formation of technology strategies for the coming decade, earning its place as one of the key events shaping the future direction of the global technology community. Atavatan Media will continue to deliver the latest news, special reports, and exclusive interviews from CES 2026 on an ongoing basis.